Students' achievements in a certain course. Introduction. Past understanding of a given course is directly or indirectly related to a student's achievements in a certain course. Whether the difference in achievements is attributed to the general student's ability is a question to be answered. Study which involved administering a pre-test to students showed that past knowledge of certain courses facilitates students' learning, especially in the introduction stage. Careful planning of courses encourages students, for instance, through debates, group discussion, and performance evaluation. Method. Students are the key subject while examination grades/scores are the experimenting factors. Students' participation and performance level in group discussions, reading assignments, projects, and extracurricular activities analyze student performance/achievements. Instructors have to pay close attention to students in order for them to realize their strong and weak points. This will help in strengthening the weak points and encouraging of the strong areas to realize the expected achievements. In assessing student achievement, the focus is on two areas: general educational ability and previous knowledge of the subject. Persons with adequate past information on a certain course comprehend and remember a lot of information as compared to those with less previous knowledge. Past knowledge in particular areas and not necessarily the study subject improves the student's learning and accomplishment. Knowledge of physics and mathematics, writing ability, text processing, economics, and computer programming gives students general knowledge to tackle their subject of study. Results and conclusion. Prior knowledge aids fast understanding of the study subject when introduced. In addition, students have ideas or concepts of what the course entails. Those with adequate information grasp what is taught in class faster than those with less or no previous information at all. Nevertheless, erroneous or misleading information can act as an obstacle to comprehending and learning of fresh knowledge. This intrusion is mostly witnessed in young children. The extent of past knowledge depends on the course. Courses which are mostly applied in everyday life have many sources of information, thus easy accessibility. Reaction. Though prior knowledge mostly assists students in realizing their achievement, inaccurate knowledge can impair students' comprehension. Careful consideration of the source of information is paramount to avoid misleading ideas. Information should be accurate and not exaggerated to steer clear of misinterpretation of the present knowledge. Instructors should guide students on the sources of information to avoid conflicting ideas. Having previous knowledge of certain subject is really important. Student is confident in class and also find the course interesting, which help in attaining the achievements. Diversity in sources of information helps in widening the scope of knowledge acquired by students. It is important to understand the use of having prior knowledge. It motivates students to research more and not wait for the instructor to introduce the subject to start the search. This can be achieved if institution expands on information sources to help their student access it easily. It is enjoyable to listen to something you have a clue about rather than a totally strange subject in class. Student feel more at home.